Are you ready to explore a powerful tool that can transform your creative ideas into stunning visuals? In this video, I will guide you through using Haiper, an amazing platform for generating videos and images effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you are logged into Haiper. Once you are in, you will see a wide array of features to bring your ideas to life. Haiper offers text to image, text to video, image to video, extend duration, video enhancer. Let's start with text to video. For example, imagine a ship sailing on a cosmic ocean. Simply type that in, hit create, and watch Haiper generate your video within seconds. One great perk is that Haiper provides free credits for regular logins. Some features may require a subscription as well. Another standout feature is image to video. If you have a static image that you want to animate, Haiper makes it simple and efficient. Need to make a video longer? The extend duration tool is a lifesaver, and it is available with those handy free credits. Haiper also includes a video enhancer to improve the quality of your videos. Not every platform offers these, making Haiper a versatile choice for your creative needs. While Haiper is not perfect and results may vary, it is capable of producing some truly impressive outputs. By experimenting with its tools, you can unlock endless possibilities for your projects. So that's it for today. If you have found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.